सर्वदेवैकवन्द्यः परमगुरुरभीष्टा वाप्तिदः सज्जनानां निखिलगुणगणार्णो नित्यनिर्मुक्तदोषः सरसिजनयनोऽसौ श्रीपतिर्मानदो नः. Dear children, being senior citizens, we always love to give everlasting gifts to you. We bequeathed certain gifts when we were young, and it was our companion in critical situations. One such gift is the great Subhashita. It enables you to avoid blunders in future and encash proper opportunities in your entire life. So, you are also eager to sharpen your ears and know today's Subhashita. See that Subhashita, students. Lalayet panchavarshani dashavarshani tadayet praptetu shodashe varshe putram mitravad acharet. This is the Subhashita. This Subhashita will have evergreen appeal among students. It insists that children should not be punished severely. They should be given freedom too. It may bring rejoice to you. One parent came to me to share his woe. He was very perturbed. I had to give extra comfort and make him vomit his pain. It has so happened that his son failed in SLC exam and he has made very sharp criticism and made him upset. He has felt wounded and ran out of his house. He wanted to know whether he was at fault. I don't know where to find him. Upanishad says the parent has to bring the child to the right track. He was only partially right. Ancient texts also assert that punishment should not cause scare or wound for the child. So, I told him that there was a Subhashita which gives a timely help and proper guidance to handle the crisis. The central message of the Subhashita is clear. I will repeat the Subhashita so that along with the translation you can understand it in a more comfortable way. Lalayet panchavarshani dasha varshani tadayet prapte tu shodashe varshe putram mitravadacharet. Till 5 years you need to pamper your child and pour love and care. The next 10 years should be taken as a training period. You can use even a mild cane to punish when the child is making a wrong choice of action. Create a healthy fear and bring the child to the right track. When the child is 16, it is wise to treat like an intimate friend and guide suitably. He felt glad at this point was unknown to him so far and decided to take this step and bring his son closer in his mind. Now he is not going to commit this blunder of beating him hereafter. If you wish to have practical examples to understand with conviction, I will give right examples. We come across this story in the 4th volume of Bhagavatam. Sri Dhruva was just 5 years when his father adopted a rude method of punishing down from his lap. It forced him to get out of the house and become comfortable in a dense forest. So we can understand the impact here. Sri Dhritarashtra was so fond of his son Duryodhana that he spared rod and spoiled the child. He never punished his sinful actions against Pandavas. This resulted in the massive disaster of Kurukshetra war and the tragic death of his son. Sri Dasharatha made his loving son Sri Rama sit on his lap and inquired whether he would accept the throne of Ayodhya and rule the country. We all know the lifetime bondage shown by this father and son. Subhashita helps you to avoid treating son as a competitor and avoid complications of future like separation, etc. Children may feel happy that freedom is granted, but this freedom is not free. You have to pay the price of discipline and get the privilege. When your parents follow this and feel joy in your life, you are inspired and continue the spirit for the generations to come. Did you relish this well? I will be back with another golden Subhashita soon. I am glad to join your elders and parents at home in blessing you a safe, prosperous and ethical standard of life in future. Krishnarpanam Astu.